Hello, Chef here. Today I've got a surprise for you. Look at that. Ooh, what's in the bag? Wow! Look at that. Those are Madagascar bourbon vanilla beans, select #1 grade, ultra gourmet, thick, fat, juicy beans. Each one of them is soft like a raisin, and wow, this is the good stuff. Avoid all the garbage out there, all the cheap stuff. You see it on the mass merchants, you see it with the big fancy names, vanilla this, vanilla that, whatever. You're getting garbage if you buy that. Chefs around the world seek this out, and there's a reason. I'm going to show you. Okay, I've selected one fat juicy bean. I've got a very, very sharp knife. I'm just going to open up the center of this bean like this for you. And show you exactly what's inside. That right there is what you're looking for. Thick, sticky, gooey vanilla bean. That's the full flavor. We can take a little bit out with the knife. This is where all the flavor lies, right here on the tip of this knife. There's more in the bean, of course, but this is the good stuff right here, and I wanted you to be aware of this and where to get it. You might want to make your own vanilla extract. You might be doing some creme brulees, soufflés, cakes, desserts, meringues, or whatever have you. This is the best you're going to get right there. Wow! Okay, once again, I got the vanilla going on. This is actually a 10 bean pack. It's the best. I want to show you, this is some extract I made. I dropped a few beans in this rum and simple syrup mixture. This has been going now for about a year. Really, really nice. I suggest you use a tall bottle like this. Works really well. Perfect gifts for the holidays. And while we're at it, we should mention this is the best vanilla extract you'll ever buy. I know the prices are expensive. Everything's sky high, but right now, seek out the quality. Yeah, right there. They've got it in stock. They've got some other fine products, like this is pure Madagascar vanilla powder. So you're wondering, well, what am I going to do with the powder? Well, it depends what you're cooking and what you're making, but you might take a tablespoon of this and put this in your favorite pound cake, muffins, batters, soufflés, whatever have you, or just a protein shake. It's really, really good. It's the good stuff. Madagascar bourbon vanilla bean powder. Where do you get it? Well, chefs around the world have been scoring the best vanilla beans for several decades at the sponsor. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Get cooking and have a great day. Wow. American dark walnut, custom sizes. Contact sponsor. Check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Get the best butcher block made. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff, and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Edible art. Magazines. I think it was Bon Appetit, Better Homes and Garden. They said, wow, best peppermill you can buy, because the quality is there. Watch my other videos. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, these babies are in stock. It's gonna be good. And don't forget, all things Butcher Block from your sponsor. Butcher Block, edge grain, end grain. Love it. The best working surface for your kitchen. Professional chef, home gourmet, doesn't matter. Butcher Block, check it out. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the Butcher Blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. And grilled chicken. It's gonna be good. Search the channel. Just put in chicken recipes, barbecue sauce, all kinds of different chicken dishes going on. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff, and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money, free shipping, no tax.